Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Prescription. If you are not comfortable with 5% bank FD rates and blindly investing in stock market, investing in bank FDs giving 1 or 2% more return means for 1 or 2% more return, you are putting remaining 98-99% money at risk. You are not comfortable with stock market volatility, but you want to take risk, then this video is for you. And it is about a product which is risky but gives a fixed return more than bank FDs and in the range of 7 to 12%, and that product is NCD, non convertible debenture. These NCDs you can purchase from public issue or from secondary market. Almost all new public issue NCDs are already listed in secondary market, and you can purchase it at cheaper rate with high yield, so it is better to purchase it from secondary market. This video description contains a paid data link of listed NCDs in secondary market. Today bank FD rates are historical low. SBI 1 year FD rate is less than 5%. Till yesterday, people who were not willing to take risk or who were not willing to bear the volatility of market are now shifting their money from bank FDs to shares and mutual funds. Online platforms like Zerodha and Grow have made investment in shares and mutual fund not only easy but cheap also. But at the same time, these platforms are risky for new investors as these platforms do not give personalized advice. Till yesterday, those who were not interested to talk about shares and mutual fund, today they are thinking there is money in the market. These people forget to think that if it was very easy to get return from market or mutual funds, then they might have already invested in it. And I am again repeating the same thing, that if it was very easy to get return from shares or mutual fund, then these products would have become like bank FDs and nobody might be talking about it. But it is not like this. Many of these investors do not know there is one more product which is risky but may give fixed return in the range of 7 to 12% per annum. So coming to the topic, in this video I will discuss about NCDs or non-convertible debentures and how to minimize the risk while purchasing it. NCDs are fixed return generating instruments which are issued by companies, mostly NBFCs, where issuing company will pay fixed interest at predefined intervals, say monthly or yearly or cumulative. The most important risk associated with NCD is capital risk. So if issuing company defaults, then it may not pay you interest or principal or both. In any investment, the return of principal is more important than return on principal. The risk can be minimized by investing in secured debentures, investing in high credit rating debentures, keeping maturity duration low, diversifying investment in multiple companies' debentures, or increasing interest payment frequency. Let us discuss one by one these parameters and how it affects on return. The first is secured NCD. Debentures are of two types, secured and unsecured. In secured debenture, if company faces some problem and goes bankrupt, then it will repay outstanding obligation by selling assets kept aside for the specific purpose of issuing NCDs. So it is better to purchase secured NCDs rather than unsecured NCDs. But here return may be lower than unsecured NCDs. Second is credit rating. Higher the credit rating, more secure the debenture. But we cannot solely depend upon this as credit rating may change overnight. Third is maturity duration. See, if your colleague or friend says lend me rupees 1 lakh today and I will repay it at month end with interest when I will receive salary. But if the same friend says lend me rupees 1 lakh and I will repay it from my retirement corpus which I will receive after 30 years. So it is quite obvious you may give money to your friend in first case, but you may think twice before giving money in second case. As the time increases, probability of something going wrong increases. Also, repo rate change will affect the prices of these NCDs in secondary market if maturity duration is high. So low maturity duration will have lower risk compared to higher maturity duration. But if you reduce the maturity duration, then there is one more risk that is called as reinvestment risk. If you go for reinvestment of money received at maturity, you may or may not get same return on reinvested money, especially in this continuous going down interest rates regime. So you will have to keep balancing. Next is diversification. Instead of investing money in one company NCD, if you invest in 10 different companies NCDs, then risk will be reduced. But reverse is also true, as the probability of one company not repaying its obligation is more in case of investing in 10 companies than single company not paying its obligation. So diversification will help, but over diversification may backfire. Fifth is interest payment frequency. Increasing interest payment frequency, say from yearly to monthly, will not reduce the risk, but in case of company default, you will lose less, as you might have already received some money in interest payment. Apart from this, what you should look in investments in NCD is liquidity. Even though these NCDs are listed in secondary market, there may not be enough buyers when you go to sell it on secondary market. Call or put option. Call option means issuer have one option to ask the investor to surrender the debentures after certain period of time if interest rates are going down. Put option means investor have option to surrender debentures to issuing company after predefined period if interest rates go up. If you are purchasing NCDs from secondary market, then if debenture issuing company exercises call option, then it may affect YTM or yield. So better to avoid NCDs having call option. Biggest hurdle in investing in NCD is no enough data available of issued NCDs. Even brokers have no clue about NCDs. It is difficult to get information of which companies have issued NCDs, what's interest rate, whether it is secured or unsecured, what is its BSE code, ISIN code. Also difficult to filter out which NCDs are giving monthly return or yearly or cumulative returns, which NCDs have call or put option, what is maturity date. So I have prepared one Excel sheet having all these informations where you can start NCDs based on your requirement. This sheet contains data like company name, BSE script code, ISIN code, debt name, coupon rate, maturity date, interest payment frequency, secured or unsecured, face value, call option, put option, credit rating, and link of this Excel sheet is given in description. You can purchase it by paying ₹1000 plus transaction charges. Also, this Excel will be updated time to time. Regarding quality of data, then I already said no enough data available of NCDs, and I have prepared this list by searching on Google, gathering data from different sites, investing my time of many days, and enough care is taken to avoid errors, but these are manually collected data and may have some errors. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel or save this number and WhatsApp hi for financial updates. Thank you.